Little storyteller.
Bolt was a shiny robot dog with bright blue eyes. He lived in a sunny yellow house with a little girl named Lily. Lily loved to bake yummy treats. One day, Bolt watched Lily making cookies. The kitchen smelled sweet and warm. Bolt wagged his metallic tail. He wanted to try. Lily showed Bolt her tablet. It had a video of how to make cookies. A friendly chef with a big white hat smiled from the screen. Bolt watched very carefully. His bright blue eyes scanned every step. Bolt got all the things ready. Flour like white snow, yellow sugar, and little brown chocolate chips. His metallic paws tried to crack an egg, but clink. It broke a little. Lily giggled. Bolt mixed everything with a whirring sound. Then he used his laser eyes to try and melt the butter faster. Zizz! Whoosh! The butter melted very quickly and got a little brown. Bolt put the cookie dough onto a tray. He put the tray in the oven. He tried to check if they were ready with a little peek of his laser eyes. Whoosh! The cookies got a little bit burnt around the edges. They were a funny dark brown color. Lily looked at the cookies. They were a little crispy. She took a bite. She said. They taste a little bit like campfire. Bolt looked sad. He wanted to make yummy cookies for Lily. Don't worry, Bolt, Lily said with a smile. We can try again together. Maybe my hands are better for mixing, and your eyes can help us watch the oven without burning. Bolt wagged his tail happily. Baking together would be even more fun. Lily and Bolt made more cookies. Lily mixed the dough, and Bolt carefully watched the oven with his blue eyes. But no lasers this time. The cookies came out golden brown and smelled so good. Sharing and working together made the cookies taste even sweeter.
Please subscribe. Thank you.